How to install rubber under tiles. To achieve a watertight seal, the membrane should be adhered beneath tiles or slate to achieve a minimum vertical height of approximately 200 mm. Remove adjacent tiles and roof battens if necessary, and set aside. Fold back the underfelt and fully adhere the membrane using contact adhesive. Allow both surfaces to dry and, starting from the bottom, mate together, working the rubber into any angle changes. Reinstate the felt underlay and battens over the rubber.